I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper voice when you talk to boys. Little ways to fun clowns. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair. Everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts, be good at sports. Know this thing you've got to know. So let's start, cause you got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my break analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I chose it to become my palaces, through an advisor, there's nobody wiser, not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you'll be, instead of to be who you weren't, well, are. There's nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. La, 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 la. We're gonna make you popular. When I see the pressing creatures with unprepossessing features, I remind them on their own behalf to think of celebrated heads of state or especially great communicators. Did they have brains or knowledge? Don't make me laugh. They were popular. Please, it's all about popular. It's not about altitude, it's the way you're viewed. So it's very true to be very, very popular, like me. La, 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 la. We're gonna make you popular. And though you protest your disinterest, I know clandestinely you are gonna green